Hello guys and welcome to my video. So today is gonna be a French listening test. So you're gonna hear words. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna try to type it or write it down. The first one is sœur. FYI guys, if you know this word, know that you're already halfway there. So good job. Une sœur. Une sœur. Un bureau. Un bureau. Un bureau. Trois. 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 Un trésor. Un trésor. Un trésor. Une résistance. Une résistance. Une résistance. L'électricité. 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 Le calme. Le calme. Un mathématicien. Un mathématicien. Une lettre. Une lettre. Un chemin. Un chemin. Une bataille. Une bataille. Brosser. Brosser. So guys, how many good answers did you get? Please tell me it's a good number, not none. So in this chapter of video, I'm just trying to explain to you why did we write this word in this way, okay? So guys, I'm gonna make it a little bit easy or simple, okay? Actually, the word so has an origin Latin. So actually, it was not written in this way from Latin. So French people, what did they do? They just grabbed this word and they made it in their own language. So we had the sound O and the sound E. So what did they do? They just wouldn't let it separate it. So they joined it together and they have the sound OE, and the sound now is there are many words written this way. If you want to know, just let me know in the comment section, okay? So, about this word resistance, I have two notes for you, okay? The first one is about SST sound, okay? So, just a remark. If you have an S between two vowels, so it's gonna be sound like a Z. And if we have a double S between two vowels, it's gonna have the sound of S. So the first one is rési with the Z sound, and the sentence because we have S and T. So we have résistance. We can hear the two sounds. About the second thing is about INCE. It's a mini rule, or you can just name it a mini rule. This one is about when we have a verb, and it's actually a verb which ends with er. So it's a first group verb. If you have this kind of verb, we are gonna have INCE. And if we had a second group verb like er, we're gonna have the end with ENCE. ENCE. Okay? So with that said, I've just suggested the word brosser. So we hear the sound of S, and what do we have? We have O and we have I, so two vowels. So actually, the what? The rule, the second rule, the S sound. Okay, just easy. Just try to focus a little bit. Okay. Now we have bureau. Actually, just in French, I know you might just find words that ends with the O, because actually this is French and this is a rare case. Just in only if this word is just from another language, yeah, you might find it, like burrito and this kind of thing. But a word with the origin French, you won't find it, okay? So we're gonna have actually instead the sound of the a, u, which has the sound like the phonetics of o, okay? So when you hear o at the end of the word, it's gonna written like in this way. Mostly, we're gonna have other, but I'm just gonna try to make it simple. So if you don't know how to write it and you hear the sound o at the end, just make it a, u, okay? Make it simple as possible. Try not to make things harder, okay?